here. Okay, well, let's pause and think if you have any other questions that you want to ask before I leave. I want to show you this little experiment to kind of help explain some of the idea of high blood pressure. And maybe you've done this before. If you've done it, then you can sort of help explain it.